So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Beats headphones are just not turning on. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing that we'd recommend basically doing is just going through and really just trying to hold down the power button or the sync button one more time. So go through, hold down this power button or the sync button, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Sometimes things like that might just end up randomly doing it, and that is kind of the first thing we'd recommend doing. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, the next thing you might want to try doing is to go through and hold down both the power button on the side and the volume down button. So go through, try holding down both those buttons, the power button and the volume down button, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for you as well. Because chances are something like that might nudge this device into actually just starting on. And that's another thing. You might also want to go through and just double check the battery. Go through and see the battery life that's you kind of have inside of this device. If you're connected to an iPhone, you can just go into the battery widget and see if these things are charged. If they're not even connecting or if they're not charged at all, go through, grab a USB Type-C cable, Lightning, micro USB, whatever you have, and plug in that particular device right here. Go and charge it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. And I guarantee you, for a lot of people, that could also end up fixing it for you as well. Now, if that still doesn't work, apparently what you can try doing is if your if your LEDs are blinking weirdly or if they're not working, some users, if you actually go through and drain your battery completely, it can actually go through and it will actually kind of allow you to kind of reset this thing, plug this thing again, plug these things in again, and they might actually end up just to randomly start charging, and you might end up connecting after. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.